Hello, patrons. Every day I tell you that you're beautiful, so be beautiful. And I want to explain that today. What I mean is, I want you to be a woman of grace, a woman who is gentle and kind, a woman who is thoughtful and mindful. That's what being beautiful is. It doesn't mean that you have flawless skin. It doesn't mean that your hair is just a glossy perfection. It doesn't mean that you have huge doe-like eyes or plump, beautiful, rosy lips. It doesn't mean that at all. It means being graceful, being full of grace, being someone who is kind, who is considerate, but who is centered. So you can't not love yourself first and be a graceful woman or beautiful woman. Even being kind requires you to be centered yourself, to come from a strong place. So that's what being beautiful is. It's being a woman who is centered, who knows where she's going, who has a plan, who is confident, right? She's not at her wit's end. A wit's end person is not a confident person. It's not a beautiful person, right? So a person can be beautiful and have a crooked nose. But see, it's not about this. It's about this. This is what we have to work with, our mind. Now, we want to take the best care we can of what God gave us. So take care of your hair, your teeth, your skin, your whatever. Take care of yourself, your clothes, your bedroom. Take care of your house. Take care of your family. But first, think about where it's coming from. It's from being a beautiful woman. And that beauty, being beautiful, is just a way to say that you express your grace and mercy toward others in a very calm, nurturing way. I think that's what I mean when I say, I know that's what I mean when I say be beautiful. Being beautiful is being confident. So when you have this routine that we're doing, every day you're getting up and you're doing your morning routine, and you're cleaning in your zone, and you're doing your basic weekly plan, that gives you confidence because you have a plan, you know what to do, and you won't be saying, oh no, there's stuff packed in the closet that people don't know about, or there's stuff behind that rocking chair, under this bed. You know what? You've got a plan for it. You're going to get to it, and it's going to be taken care of. And in the end, you may still have something under your bed because that's the only place you can fit it, and under the bed storage. But that's okay. It's your plan. I think having a plan helps you be beautiful. So I want you to get your planner and look at it and plan out on it, in it, and use it. I know so many of my personally mentored people have planners and they're trying to use them, but when they first come to me, they are not using their planner. So that's a key thing to do is use your planner. To be beautiful, you need a planner, you need a plan, right? So get your planner out and plan your day and use this FlyLady system, finally loving yourself system, okay? Okay. Remember that I think you're fantastic, that I'm very proud of you, and that I know that this little seed will be planted in your heart and mind today, and you're going to think about it all day. I'm going to be beautiful because I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. And you are going to be that person because you remind yourself that you are a beautiful person. And that in order to be beautiful and have a beautiful way of life, you're going to follow a plan, and it's going to make life so much easier, and you're going to be so much more graceful toward others. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always, always remember that you are beautiful. So go ahead and be beautiful.